Hi and hello everyone, welcome to GK Studios. Today we're diving deep into the fascinating world of cryptography. What is cryptography? Cryptography is technique of securing information and communications through use of codes so that only those person for whom the information is intended can understand it and process it, thus preventing unauthorized access to information. The prefix crypt means hidden and suffix graphy means writing. The word cryptography derived its name from a Greek word called kryptos, which means hidden secrets. Data confidentiality, data integrity, authentication, and non-repudiation are core principles of modern-day cryptography. Confidentiality refers to certain rules and guidelines usually executed under confidentiality agreements which ensure that the information is restricted to certain people or places. Data integrity refers to maintaining and making sure that the data stays accurate and consistent over its entire lifecycle. Authentication is the process of making sure that the piece of data being claimed by the user belongs to it. Non-repudiation refers to ability to make sure that a person or a party associated with a contract or a communication cannot deny the authenticity of their signature over their document or the sending of a message. Classification of cryptography. Cryptography was divided into symmetric key cryptography and asymmetric key cryptography. Symmetric key cryptography is divided into classical cryptography and modern cryptography. Under classical cryptography, there is a transposition cipher and substitution cipher. On the other hand, it has stream cipher and block cipher. First, let's look about symmetric key cryptography. It is an encryption system where the sender and receiver of message use a single common key to encrypt and decrypt messages. Symmetric key systems are faster and simpler, but the problem is that sender and receiver have to somehow exchange key in a secure manner. The most popular symmetric key cryptography system is Data Encryption System, DES. Next, asymmetric key cryptography. Under this system, a pair of keys is used to encrypt and decrypt information. A public key is used for encryption and a private key is used for decryption. Public key and private key are different. Even if the public key is known by everyone, the intended receiver can only decode it because he alone knows the private key. And here is the comparison of classical cryptography versus modern cryptography. It manipulates traditional characters, letters, and digits directly. It operates on binary bit sequences. It is mainly based on security through obscurity. The techniques employed for coding were kept secret and only the parties involved in communication knew about them. It relies on publicly known mathematical algorithms for coding the information. Secrecy is obtained through a secret key which is used as the seed for the algorithms. The computational difficulty of algorithms, absence of secret key, etc., make it impossible for an attacker to obtain the original information even if he knows the algorithm used for coding. It requires the entire cryptosystem for communicating confidentially. Modern cryptography requires parties interested in secure communication to possess the secret key only. Next, transposition cipher. In cryptography, a transposition cipher is a method of encryption by which the positions held by units of plaintext are shifted according to a regular system, so that the ciphertext constitutes a permutation of the plaintext. That is, the order of the units is changed. For example, in this image, using a key 421635, a plaintext, "Meet me after party" is changed into a ciphertext. Then, substitution cipher. In cryptography, a substitution cipher is a method of encrypting by which units of plaintext are replaced with ciphertext, according to a fixed system. The units may be single letters, pairs of letters, triplets of letters, mixtures of the above, and so forth. For example, a plaintext alphabet uses the keyword as zebras. The ciphertext will be like this: in this image, "flee at once." "We are discovered" is enciphered like this. Now, stream cipher. A stream cipher is a symmetric key cipher where plaintext digits are combined with a pseudorandom cipher digit stream. In a stream cipher, each plaintext digit is encrypted one at a time with the corresponding digit of the key stream, to give a digit of the ciphertext stream. Finally, block cipher. In cryptography, A block cipher is a deterministic algorithm operating on fixed-length groups of bits, called blocks. It uses an unvarying transformation, that is, it uses a symmetric key. And here is the conclusion. Cryptography is the practice and study of hiding information. It is the art or science of converting a plain intelligible data into an unintelligible data and again retransforming that message into its original form. We use either private key cryptography or public key cryptography according to requirement. If we want to send message quickly, we use private key algorithm, and if we want to send messages secretly, we use public key algorithm. Okay, hope you all enjoy watching this video. Consider subscribing for more interesting videos. Have a nice day.